Alright everybody, how y'all doing and welcome back to my channel. I'm here to undo an unboxing of Bluetooth speakers that I got from Aliexpress. Now, all information will be in the description below, so I will be putting the links up there if you want to purchase these speakers. Now, we all know Aliexpress is overseas and it takes about 2 to 3 weeks for your products to come. If you don't mind the wait, you can click on the affiliate links in the description below so you can go ahead and purchase the speakers. The speakers are $14.99 off AliExpress, and for the price I couldn't resist. But is the sound quality are any good? We're going to find out now. Now, the name of the speakers are Rockmia EBS 045. Yes, Rockmia EBS 045. And one thing I love off the bat with this company here is the product presentation. Yes, you have the product visible so you know what it is and what are you buying. And of course, it's a nice good size, so it's not that big. You got more information on the side of the box. You got more information of the detail of the product on the back. It's Bluetooth speaker, playable pause music, diaphragm speakers, band colorful lights, support UDIS, TF card playback, maximum volume, voice prompt function, basic parameters. Bluetooth version is V5.1 plus EDR. Transmission distance is 10 meters without obstacles. That means that if it's in any way and you 10 meters out, you may be losing your Bluetooth signal and etc. So trying to stay within the 10-meter range that you're supposed to stay in for Bluetooth connective. Material is ABS plastic and iron mesh. Sensitive is 88 dBm plus D2 dBm. Input is DC 5 volts, so you have a high power charger. Try not to overcharge the battery and burn it out, because once you do that, the product is damaged. So make sure you have a 5-volt charger available and you're good to go. Talk time is 6 hours. Speaker battery is 800 milliamps. Charging time is 3 to 3.5 hours. Speaker weight is 476 grams. Listening time 10 to 10.5 hours if you keep the volume at 50%. 2.5 to 3 hours if it's at 100%. So when you add 50%, you get longer hours. When you at 100%, you get 3 hours maximum. Speaker unit is dual speakers, 5 watt per channel. So you get 2 channels, that's 5 watts. So these are 10 watt speakers. Accessory comes with 1 charging cable and 1 manual. Now the colors are, you get black, cyan, and blue. Cyan is the color that is checked, so that's the color I'm getting, and that's the color I'm going to present to you in this presentation. And other than that, the product is well spot on. There you see the compatibility with computer, iPad, mobile, as well as your MP3 player. So far everything is well spot on by Rockmia. They did the product presentation real good. So if it's sitting on the shelf like this, on the shelf, you can automatically pull it. They got everything clarifying so you know what the product is. Alright, let's open it up and see what's on the inside. Alrighty, you get the speaker itself. You get your manual, which is right here. Now, to certain people, keep in mind, I'm old school. If you don't know what you're doing, please refer to your manual. You got Chinese and you got English. So if you don't know what you're doing, always refer to your manual. It will not hurt to take time out to read and understand what's going on with the product. else in the box, you get your micro charging cable, and you get your carrying strap. So if you like to be out and about, going to parks, beaches, etc., or you just on the walkway and you just want to listen to your music in peace, no one's bothering you, then this strap is very handy. Okie dokie. Let's look at the product itself. And she is nice. She's nice. You got your rubber support feet to the bottom, so if you're on your little 9, or you just on your patio, if you stay in the condo, which we call the little 9s now, you can listen to your music at peace, and you cannot worry about being interrupted by your neighbors, or you interrupting your neighbors with your music being loud. Alrighty, let's go over the top. Here you have your play pause button, your volume down button, as well as search button, your volume up, search button, and your mode. It comes in 2 modes. You got one for FM stereo. Now y'all keep in mind, I'm not playing anything off the FM radio because that is copyright content. And if YouTube hears that anything copyrighted without any music station or music corporation consent, I could get sued and I could go ahead and have my channel taken away from me. So I will not be playing anything off the radio. Everything is going to be off from my Epidemic Sound or my Chill Hop preference, because I am subscribed to those two I just mentioned, Epidemic Sound and Chill Hop. So with that said, y'all keep that in mind. I will not be playing any content radio off the radio, but I will give you a sign to let you know if we are in radio mode. Okay, you got this nice mesh front metal. It don't come off, so keep that in mind. You got your 2 channels on the side. Now on the back, you got your on off, which I love the most, because now on off buttons, you have to push it, and then normally 9 out of 10, when you push too hard and keep pushing it, you damage the thing. So it is good to notice that they still keep the on off switching at your convenience. You have your auxiliary control, so if you are connecting up through auxiliary through your mobile device or your MP3 player, they have a cable for that. You have your micro SD card, just like me, and this is a great feature, and I love that they add this. If you do not like connecting Bluetooth and you want to transfer all your music to your micro SD card, go over the product and let's just turn it on. Now, as you see, it cycles through all your colors, which is not bad. So if you're a party mode and you love the RGB, yes, you get it on both sides of the speakers and you get it up front. Now, if you do not like the RGB, and it's true, while they in static mode and breathe mode, it may give you a seizure. So if you don't like it, you can always hold the mode button for a couple of seconds, and you can turn it off. You see it off. Now, if you are the type you love it, you just hold it, press the mode button again, and turn it back on. Now, if you like listening to the radio, which I know a lot of us still do, you hold this, but just press this button one time. When you hear that staticky noise, you are in FM mode. You just go ahead and search through your channels of what you like to listen to, and you're good. Now, y'all see this blinking light? That is for Bluetooth. When you see that there, you already be paired to Bluetooth. So now, let's go ahead and pair our devices through Bluetooth. Okay, we are connecting the device. So y'all know how to connect y'all devices up through Bluetooth. So if you don't know, I'm gonna guide you through it. Go through and say connect device on your cell phone. Now, when you say connect device, you're gonna see a lot of range. Now, you see my Toyota RAV4 because I listen to my stuff on the go in the car. But you're gonna hit pair new device. Now, what you're looking for is EBS 045. It's EBS 045. You're gonna click that. Now it's gonna ask you to pair. It's paired. I'm ready to go. You can see it has 70% battery life, so just keep in mind when you get it, it's going to be at half charge, so about 75 to 70%. And to charge it up, make sure you have a 5-volt charger available so you can go ahead and charge your speakers back up. Okay, so now she's paired. We're going to be playing some music from her. And y'all be the judge of how she sound. Now keep in mind, I'm on my Jellycone 1080p microphone. I'm doing the video with this here, my webcam, and it does a damn great job. So now the sound might be different from what you're hearing from it. So keep in mind, I'm gonna go ahead and give you my final take of what I think of the speakers as we close out the video. But right now, we're gonna listen to some music. Alright, this is Guustavv Balloon Bap off Epidemic Sound. Alrighty. Now that was Balloon Bap by Guustavv. I'm glad y'all enjoyed that. There are 2 minutes and 19 seconds of music play of the speakers. Now, to the viewers who listen to the music, Post your comments in the section below of what you think of the Rockmia, and I will be going over what I think of them, and are they worth buying from Aliexpress at $14.99. All right, everybody, my conclusion of Rockmia Bluetooth speaker. I'm very impressed. Now the sound quality is there, and I cannot ask no more from this product from Rockmia. The EBS 045 is well spot on. Now, like I said, I was playing the music through the the webcam microphone on my Jellycone 1080p webcam. Great camera. I'll be putting that in the description below if you're looking for a nice good webcam, and I'll be putting other options as well too. But for a Bluetooth speaker to give good quality sound, I can't ask for no more. It is there. Great product, $14.99, not bad. So you get these speakers for under $15. Basically, I'm gonna say under $20. Now, one thing I like about it, I don't need nothing as boomy and bassy as other Bluetooth speakers out there, because most likely, like JBL, great company, great everything, but they basically focus on bass. And when you turn on their Bluetooth speakers, and I've been noticing that when I pass through electronic stores, you just hear a whole pile of, but you don't hear no clarity or no treble from it, so you cannot really hear what the artist is saying because it is overpowered by all that bass, as well as Sonos as well too. Certain Sonos products are good, certain Sonos are not bad, but Rockmia, I found the brand, and I'm recommending it to you. Now, on the consumer point of view, yes, I will support Rockmia. Yes, I will buy anything from Rockmia, but on the consumer point of view, and I can't tell any consumer how to spend their money, but if you are on a budget and you don't want to go ahead on there and be breaking your pocket spending $199 or higher on Bluetooth speakers, then I'm gonna leave that up to you. See, with my business skills, what I did was, with all product, is this name here. This name don't exist to me. I just focus on the quality of the product. It's heavy, it's durable. Now it is plastic, so if you do drop it by accident, it will crack, like any other hard cast plastic would do if you drop it from a certain high point. But other than that, the product is good quality. I will recommend it. I will be putting all the link in the description below if you are interested in purchasing one. And when you purchase from my affiliate links, of course, it supports my channel as well too. So please feel free to click on the affiliate links if you are interested in purchasing Rockmia Bluetooth speakers. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Post your comments in the comment section below what you think about the sound quality. Now keep in mind, like I said before, the sound quality came off my Jellycone 1080p microphone, so it sounds great to me because you have to go on two perspectives, the microphone and the person who's listening to it and doing the unboxing and the presentation of the video. So yes, they're great. And of course I will recommend them to everybody who just wants to sit down here and not break the pocket. You got nice, comfortable Bluetooth speakers, comfortable sound. It's not too bassy. It's not too loud. You won't disturb your neighbors, and that's a good thing. And I'm glad that Rockmia thought of that. And I want to thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.